we're gonna go for a walk. You stay here. No, you stay here. We're gonna go for a walk. Okay? We'll see you later. All right, you're gonna go for a walk with us? All right, come on, let's go. Okay, here we go. See you later. Bye, baby.
Come here, buddy.
Are you gonna go with us, baby?
Come here, buddy.
Oh.
Oh!
Yep, likes Audrey.
Are you recording? I guess he's going with us.
I think he's going with us. I don't think we have a choice. Okay, away we go. Going for our walk.
Now, isn't this fun? What if he poops on you? He's gonna poop on me. Why don't you go hang out with Katie for a while? Walk this way for 3 miles.
I don't think you can. Surely he'll get off.
He's like readjusting.
He's gonna. Oh. Okay, bye, bird. We're gonna see you later. Phoebe, say goodbye.